We're making the pancake hot dog. My mom used to make this for me when growing up. We're using Kodak healthy pancake, prime hot dogs from Costco, mozzarella cheese. We're gonna do kind of Korean style. And we already boiled the hot dogs. So we boil the hot dogs for 4 or 5 minutes. We have our own chickens in the backyard, but we still use the store-bought one because it's not yet washed. My beautiful girl is helping today, and she's mixing, putting it in a cup, and she added 1 egg already.
We're just doing something off camera.
Oh, stop, be careful.
For some reason, we're using a cup. The last one.
Oh, you're doing the cheese and the dog. Okay. So we're supposed to dip it in, but because we did the long one, we're just gonna put it in.
Put it on, not
Yeah, and we did do the trial for the first one here.
And then I recorded.
And my baby girl is making the second one, and our oil is still maintaining its heat, so we're gonna dip it in there.
Make sure it doesn't burn.
That's why I put it on a lower heat.
Nice.
Okay, perfect. Now dip it in.
This is the last one. I think we should move the fork out of the way. Put that down. Reach in, grab as much as I can and just coat it.
Oh, you have to dip it in maple syrup.